How to fix Pop Mart app not working. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Pop Mart. Once you're in this page, the next thing you want to do is you have to try closing the application and then reopen it. It will refresh the page. Most of the time, refreshing the page and app has also fixed the issue. If not, the next thing you want to try doing is use the VPN. Sometimes, due to the location, you might face the issue in the app. So try using the VPN and connect to a different server. In order to do that, move into Settings, head over to General, scroll all the way down and move into VPN and Device Management. In this page, try connecting to different server where the application is available. Once you're connected to different server, try using the application. But if you're still facing the issue, then head over to App Store. In the source bar, search for the application Pop Mart. Head over to this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then you are not using the updated version of the app. In this case, simply click on update and update it. Once you've got the updated version of the app Pop Mart, the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of a device. And then head over to General. Inside General, move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Pop Mart and then move into it. Once you're in here, you have to click on Offload App, and then once again click on Offload App. It will be clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.